Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel again. So in this informative video, we will guide you on how to retrieve your AirVoice account number and PIN as well as how to transfer a PIN to another device. So we understand that accessing have these details can sometimes be confusing, but why not as well we provide you with the step-by-step instruction to make the process seamless. So by following a tutorial, you will be able to effortlessly obtain your AirVoice account number and PIN and successfully transfer your PIN to another device. So stay tuned and empower yourself with the essential knowledge. So let's start. First, how to get your AirVoice account number and PIN. So here the first method we have to do AirVoice account number. Your account number is your SIM card number. So typically it comprises with 15 digits and serve as a unique identifier for your account. And now for your PIN number is the last four digit of your phone number. So this make it easy to remember and convenient for authentication purpose. It add an extra layer of security to your account access. And now, how to get your transfer pin? So to obtain your transfer pin, simply call AirVoice at 1-888-944-2355. You have to dial this number, and now after they will receive the call, so you have to request your transfer pin for seamless and secure transaction. Once requested, your transfer will be properly delivered to you, and it will be sent as a text message to the phone number associated with your account number. So these are the some simple steps to get your account number and PIN as well as transfer PIN. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in our next video.